How will all of this impact our own Indian market? We have our research team joining in with how the trade setup looks like and the stocks that are likely to be in the news. First up, Hormaz joins in to get us all the market cues we need to watch out for today. Good morning, Hormaz.
Good morning, Vamangshi. Perfect trading session, right, on expiry day. And I call it perfect not because the Nifty ended higher, but because it gave the opportunity on both sides, both to the bulls and to the bears. Now, if you booked profits at higher levels in the first half of the trading session, you made money. If you bought that dip at 230 in the final hour of the trading session when the markets recovered from the lows, and you made money there as well. So, therefore, a perfect trading session. Now, it's been a very good week for the markets. We started off by saying that 25,154 is a key level for the Nifty, post which it opens doors for 25,500. We are at the cusp for the index on 25,500. Same for the Nifty Bank as well. 55,000 was an important level, post which 55,300 and 55,700. We are above both those levels now on the Nifty Bank, and that opens the door for 56,000 now for the Nifty Bank. And as far as the Nifty is concerned, it is the 25,500 mark that remains that psychological level to watch out for on the upside. Now, crossing 25,500 on the Nifty can open doors to levels of 25,669. And why 25,669 is important is because of the fact that it is the highest level for the index seen in 2025 so far. So that remains an important level. Of course, 56,000 is also significant for the Nifty Bank simply because it has not closed above that level since the 30th of July. So almost 2 months now. So important levels to watch out for on the Nifty Bank as well. What else to watch today? Adani Group stocks, of course, they will be in focus after the SEBI decision late last night. Multiple IPOs opening, price bands coming out. There will be listings as well, Satvik Green Energy and a lot of other IPOs opening today. Watch out for volumes in the mid caps and the small caps because the stocks that are moving on very, very high volumes, be it the likes of IRM Energy, Shalimar Paints, Poonawalla FinCorp. All of them saw gains in double digits yesterday on very, very strong volumes. For now, 25,500 on the Nifty, 56,000 on the Nifty Bank. The GIFT Nifty is indicating a slightly subdued start. It promises to be a very interesting session, the final one this week.
Absolutely, Hormaz. An interesting session is what we're watching out for, and a lot of stock-specific action as well. But over to Ria, who will actually list out all the stocks we need to watch out for in today's trading session. Good morning, Ria.
Good morning, Vamangshi. Let's take a look at the stocks that are going to be in focus today. The first one is JSW Energy. The company's board has approved a demerger scheme to acquire GE Power India's Durgapur unit via a share swap. Unichem Labs has received a demand notice worth 19.5 million euros from the European Commission. Texmaco Rail to be in focus on the back of an order win worth around rupees 87 crores from Ultratech Cement for BCFC wagons and a brake van as well. For Vedanta, they have been declared as the preferred bidder for the Punam manganese block in Andhra Pradesh. Indian Hotels to be in focus. They have issued a clarification saying that recent media reports on IHCL are misleading and that IHCL does not own the Pierre in New York. Samir Modi of Godfrey Phillips has been arrested by the Delhi police on charges of rape, and he is going to be presented before the Saket court tomorrow, so the stock can be in focus on the back of that. And the last one is One MobiKwik. They have confirmed that there was a technical issue on the 11th and 12th of September, which led to certain failed transactions which were marked successful. An FIR has been filed and over 200 arrests have been made on the back of this, and 2,000 accounts have also been frozen after this issue.
Thank you so much for bringing us all of those details, Ria. And finally, we now have Sudarshan joining in with cues from the F&O space. Good morning, Sudarshan.
Good morning, Vamangshi. So it was another day of short covering, and now most of the indices are near to very important levels. And for Nifty, it would be important for Nifty to hold on to levels over 25,300 to move higher. So yesterday we saw that Nifty manages to hold on to levels above 25,400. And now if today we get a support from heavyweights, it's very much possible that Nifty may move higher towards 25,500. And the support continues to come from biggest heavyweights, and that are from Nifty Bank and Nifty IT. As far as flows are concerned, again, both FIs and DIs were on the buy side. FIs yesterday in the cash market have bought more than rupees 1,100 crore, and the similar pattern was seen by DIs also. And now with this, FI long exposure has increased to 14%. Now, volatility index, it's very interesting pattern that's showing. It's near record lows. Yesterday it has slipped below 10, so we'll have to track that also. And on the put call ratio, again there also it was a minor dip. It has fallen to 1.16 versus previous day's close of 1.20. On the option front, The option on the call side, 25,500 and 25,450, both are very active ones, and with premium increasing for both these call options. But in contrary, on the call side, 25,400 has seen premium falling down from the level of 71. So now, for now, the support for Nifty is around 25,350 to 25,400, and resistance has moved higher to 25,520. If we manage to cross that, next resistance comes around 25,650. As far as Nifty Bank is concerned, so support would be 55,527 and resistance would be 55,850. Three stocks that are in the band: RBL Bank, Angel One, HFCL has entered the band again, and one stock that has come out of the band is Oracle Financial Services.
Well, thank you so much for that, Sudarshan. But